Very good morning to all grade 12 ISC students who are going to appear for the board examination next year. That is session 2021-2022. There is good news related to the subject English that has been an obstacle for many. There are many students who actually get nervous when it comes to English language or English literature. I have seen many students who have a fear of English language, that sir, because of English language or English literature, my percentage has gone down. So now look at what ISC board has done for you. It's no less than a miracle. And please, after watching this video, I can assure you that many of the students will set their benchmark. They will set their standards of scoring full. And I'm sure that many of the students are going to score full in the subject English literature. Yes, I am Tarun sir. I take care of the subject English. So without wasting time, let's go through the latest reduced syllabus as per ISC board. As per ISC board for class 12 students. See students, English language, there has been no reduction. There has been no reduction. And I know you people do not require any reduction. The paper will comprise of 80 marks, that is written paper, and 20 marks for your project work or internal assessment. So let's see that what all is going to be included in your English language paper. Section A, obviously essay writing, 20 marks. Question 2, they have included article writing, book review, film review, review of cultural programs, speech writing, report writing, etc., 15 marks. Compulsory question, proposal writing, 10 marks. And then unseen passage, comprehension, and plus grammar. And grammar in grade 12 includes verbs, transformation of sentences, and prepositions. So this is how your paper of English language would appear. I would be sending you the PDF so that you can follow the instructions. What would be the word limit of essay writing and all. Now the mystery is unlocked. English literature, for the first time in history, this has happened. This is something very important for you all. Read what is written in the box. Candidates will be tested only on the portion of the syllabus that is prescribed for class 12. So students, now forget whatever you have done in grade 11 ISC. Class 12 students, this video is only for class 12 students. You will have to forget everything, whatever you have done in grade 11, because you have to study only the portion that is going to be included in grade 12. So let's see what all is going to be included in grade 12 ISC. Yes, students. So let's come up to the syllabus for class 12. Okay, literature syllabus. Only 5 chapters, only 5 poems, and only 3 acts. Done. No 10 chapters, no 10 poems, no 5 acts. Please apply across. And what has been included in grade 12 syllabus? You will have to only study Act 3. You will have to only study Act 4 and Act 5. Now, Act 1 and Act 2 have been permanently deleted only for this session until further notice. Last year also the students had to study all the acts. There were only 2 chapters and 2 poems that have been deleted. And believe me, this year, see, you have to only go through 3 acts, Act 3, Act 4, and Act 5. That's it. And only 5 chapters to build a fire, story of an hour, singing lesson, sound machine, B. Wordsworth, poems, darkling thirst, Birches crossing the bar, Dover Beach, we are music makers. That's it, student. No need to study anything else. And your paper would comprise of 80 marks. And you will have to face the paper in such a manner that you would be getting extract based questions from The Tempest and whatever drama is being followed in your exam, plus long answers from poems, from chapters, and from drama. So this video is for grade 12 students. I would like to introduce myself to those students who actually are not aware of my classes. You can attend my classes online and offline. I have started my offline batches also. My online batches run on Zoom app. The ID and password has been clearly mentioned. In case if you have any query, you can contact me. And the classes are functional from the month of April itself. So in case if you people have even lost your months, I would be taking care of it. I would be completing your course. So my dear students, all the best. Prepare yourself accordingly. And you can contact me for any query. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.